Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get a top contributor badge on Facebook. So the first thing you need to understand is when a contributor's badge comes automatically. When you contribute in many things to the vertical group, after that you will be able to get that badge. So the easy way to get the badge is you have to comment regularly and post regularly. You have to give reactions regularly, and that's how you can easily contribute to the group. After that, you receive a notification that you've got the badge. Tap on the particular notification and just accept it. It's up to you if you want to show the badge or not. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.